In this video, I am going to show you how to create a virtual environment for Python. If you are using Linux, please follow the commands with the on-screen prompts. Let's start by checking if Python is installed on our machine using the command python -v. If you do not have Python on your machine yet, please do so before continuing. In order to create a virtual environment in Python, we're going to need to install a package named virtualenv using the commands pip install virtualenv. Now that you have virtualenv installed, let's go ahead and create the virtual environment using the command python -m venv, and you can name your virtual environment whatever you like. In this case, I am going to name it .venv. You will know when you have it successfully installed when you see the folder and the terminal is finished. In order to activate your virtual environment, type in the name of your virtual environment /scripts/activate on Windows. If you are on Linux, you would do the name of your virtual environment /bin/activate. You will know if you have successfully activated your virtual environment if you see it on the left-hand side of your terminal. To check if you are using a virtual environment, you can run the command pip list. It should only give you two packages, pip and setup tools, as it is a fresh install of your virtual environment. If you are using a Git repository, make sure to include your virtual environment in the git ignore so you don't accidentally make a commit submitting a whole virtual environment to your GitHub. To deactivate from a virtual environment, simply type in deactivate in the console. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful.